Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this tutorial, I'm going to be guiding you through how to change the language in Monopoly Go application. To change the language setting in Monopoly Go, first of all, open up the Monopoly Go application on your device like you normally do. After you're in the home page, go ahead and tap on the menu button at the top right corner, which is the three horizontal lines, and this will open up an expanded menu. In the expanded menu, click on Settings. From the Settings menu, go to Language option and tap on it. Choose your desired language from the list available inside the Language tab and click on it. Now click on the Change button, and doing this will restart your Monopoly Go application, and the game should now switch to the selected language. That is how you easily change your language setting in Monopoly Go. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Monopoly Go tutorials. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.